Hey everybody, Bobby Brown here, Guns and Drums, and sometimes crow calls. This is an old wooden crow call. It's belonged to my dad. It's been around the house forever. Actually, it kind of stays out on the knick-knack shelf. You can see it's made from some sort of cedar or pine or something. It's all wood. I don't know anything about it or how old it is. I'm going to let you hear it. Yeah, I'm not very good at it, obviously, but sounds like a crow to me. Been in my family a long time. If anybody knows anything about authentic wooden crow calls, let me know. Bobby Brown, Guns and Drums, and sometimes crow calls.